very good day for everyone. In this video, we'll try to explain how can we try to solve travel salesman problem using genetic algorithm. As you know that in travel salesman problem, he tried to visit all the cities in the map. So here first, because we try to use the genetic algorithm, first we try to represent what is the chromosome, and then we'll try to initialize what is the population as well as the objective functions, and if you want to do the crossover probability and the probability to do mutation. As you know that in the travel salesman, so each solution should be the travel salesman should visit all the cities. So each solution represents a sequence of the cities. So here each chromosome will represent cities, okay, a sequence of the cities. Here, so each chromosome should represent a sequence of cities. How many cities here? 12. So the size of the chromosome will be 12 nodes, okay? 12 nodes or 12 sequence of cities. We represent each city by alphabet, which is city A, B, C, D, and until L, okay? So here in this problem, it doesn't mention which city will be start and which city should end. So it will be random selection here. Each chromosome should be created with random of sequence of cities. Here also there is the sequence or the chromosome. So each gene will select one city. So each chromosome will contains of 12 genes. Then each gene will contains a city. So cannot have duplicate of cities AA. So when select the first gene in the chromosome A, so the next will be B and any. Okay, will be randomly. Another problem here, which is some connections, if you want to go from CTA to CTA, there is no connection, but the connection will go through this path here. So the cost to go to E from A, so 24 plus 19 and 18. So if you put your chromosome will be chosen randomly. So if you select A, then E, so here what is the cost path from here to here, whether 30 plus 27 or 24 plus 19 plus 18. Of course, you have to select the minimum. So we have to create a distance between each connection or between each two cities connection. So like here between A and C, 24. Between A and I, 24 plus 25. Between A and key, so it will be to 67, and as well as for all between C to H, so maybe this path. So forget about the directions. If it will have this path or have this path or have this path or have this, so a lot of paths. So you have to select the minimum cost. So first you have to create the connection between each two cities and what is the distance. Okay, they should have a file that contains of this data if you try to program it. Otherwise, another problem, or maybe it cannot be used if you say A, E, there is no connection. So if you don't know the distance here, so that it will be invalid if you consider that. Or maybe A should have come after A should be B or C, okay? Because they have a connection. That if you want to consider all that need to be written in your code. But forget about that because the genetic algorithm now, the concept of genetic algorithm will generate random. You have a set of sequence or set of cities need to be visited. So you have to pick up the chromosomes. So let's try now to create chromosomes. First, we said here we will have a chromosome should contain 12 of genes. So here we'll have a genes will be inside 12 inside the chromosome, so it will be select random of the cities. So and then the population will be 4. So let's try here first chromosome 3. and chromosome 4, because I said my population size is 4. So here, if the first chromosome random pick up, so the first, maybe if I select A, then maybe if I select B or E or F or C, I, K, L, J, G, H, D. The another maybe chromosome maybe will start B, E, A, K, L, H, J, maybe D, random, because here you have to pick up. You have to pick up any one of these. So as you can see here, to select the H gene, so need to be select what is the city not being selected. So B A K L C not selected yet. C and G not selected yet. Then what else? I not selected yet. So because I'm human, I forgot, right? But computer in the computer program will know which to pick up. So already the city already picked. So the next city will be picked. So as I said, if you want to consider, like if you pick C, let's say if you say C, so some of the programs they have to choose what are all possible connection between C. They said A, F, I. That one also advanced. If you want to put that guidance, that will guide the algorithm how to create the chromosome. But the real genetic algorithm will create randomly. So here, as you say it will pick up any of these here. So let's say I picked J, G, and then F, maybe J, and then L, maybe K, I, then E not selected yet, B not selected yet, A, and then D, H, D, H. Okay, so finish. That's chromosome. And then chromosome number 4, maybe it will select also, like start by, let's say L, G, H, E, F, J, C, I, K, A, B, D. So this is I generate or initialize 4 chromosomes randomly. Okay, 4 chromosomes randomly. So here we have to calculate the fitness function. What is the fitness function of each chromosome? What is the fitness function for each chromosome? So we have to calculate the fitness function. As I said here before, the fitness function is the distance, right? Is the distance between the cities, or the summation. So let's say from A to B, 30. So it will be the fitness function for this one, 30 plus 30 plus 30 from B to E. Then I have to be from B to E. B to E is 27 plus maybe F 18 plus, then from F to C is 19 plus C to I is 25 plus I to K is 18 plus K to L is 18 plus, and then L to J is 16 plus J to where it will go, J to G here. So it will go back 16 plus 43. So here, because it go back again 16 plus 43. Then plus sum or add from G to H. G to H is 17 plus go to what is after that to D, 20 plus 20. So here, what is the total? This is the fitness function. Okay, this is the fitness function of. So let's try to calculate this one. You know, the calculator. Then now in this one, the fitness function for this one total